Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust filter intensity and fine-tune effect in the Prisma app. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android too. First, you need to open Prisma app on your phone. Tap the plus or choose photo button and select the photo from your gallery. Once the photo opens, choose your any Prisma AI filter from the bottom. The filter will apply instantly. Now, just below the filter, you will see intensity slider. This controls how strong the effect looks. Slide left to make the effect lighter and more natural. Slide right to make the effect strong and more artistic. For the best result, keep the slider around middle so the photo doesn't look over edited. Next, tap the adjust or edit icon. Here you can fine tune your photo using simple control like brightness, contrast, saturation, warmth. Make small changes and check the preview each time. You can also tap and hold on the photo to compare the edited version with the original. This helps you to decide if the effect looks good. Once you are satisfied, tap done or next at the top. Then tap save to store the edited photo on your iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.